Eva, who's that?
My birdie.
Your new pet birdie?
Mm-hmm.
Do you love him?
Sure.
It's a male, right? It's a canary.
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 Yep.
Canary. Hi.
So nice.
Hi, Bee.
Canary.
Canary. It's a canary. You love it, Eva?
Yes, it's so cute and nice. Look.
Hi, birdie.
And this is the baby.
Yeah.
His name is Popo Tweety Bird.
Okay. There's a little water here.
His
and
little food. I decorate his
little
house.
food.
I decorate his house.
Oh yeah, I should put stickers all over the birdie house.
Yeah.
Sticker here, sticker everywhere.
Here.
Wow.